Here I have DJI OSMO ACTION, and today I'm going to show you how to use manual mode on this device. So to switch from the auto to manual mode, you just have to swipe your finger like this. And here you have two modes. You can switch to the auto and you can switch to the manual. And here at the manual mode, what you can do is to change your ISO here, for example, and you can change its shutter here. And that's what is the manual mode is for. You can also change here some of the other. This is not the manual mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.